What if you have a cf-19 where your battery is not being read, not being picked up by the computer, and you know it's good because you just bought it or it was working before and it held a good charge, and all of a sudden it doesn't charge or it doesn't read it? This is more than likely the problem. This is your battery connector. This ribbon cable here connects to the motherboard and receives the power being fed in from your charger. Charges the battery, and then this also allows your computer to be powered by the battery. So to remove this is very simple. The first thing I like to do is I like to remove this ribbon cable. Removing this ribbon cable is very simple. You simply grab your pry tool, lift up on one of the locking ends, and then come to the other side. Do this very gently. These locks are very fragile. If you add too much pressure if you're too much upward pressure trying to unlock it, you can break the black locking tab off and it'll damage. And then you more than likely won't be able to replace that. You'll have to solder it onto your board. So then you push, slide it. See how it's bowing up there, right here? See it's coming up? Let me use the black pry tool here. Right here. It's moving around. Then you slide it towards you. It's wider at this end so that the locking tabs, you can slide into the locking tabs. Then you have two black screws and that's it. So you remove two black screws on either end, and then you just simply lift up and away, and then this is what you're looking at here. So say that one of these pins is broken, ribbon cable's torn somewhere. This is the part that you need to replace. This is your battery connector. Okay, and then to simply reinstall it, there's a slot right behind this chip here. You probably can't see that very well, but you just simply drop that back in, and then there's an alignment pin over here, and that'll kind of stay there, and you just put your screws back in. And you slide the ribbon cable towards the connector, and then you slide in the locking tabs back into there. And while I'm here, I'm not going to connect this back together because in the next video I'll show you how to remove the RAM.